Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, and Jay just left. I wish I'd have thought and I'd have done this video while he was here, but I didn't think about it. Anyway, he just left. He helped me get a lot of this stuff moved around. So let me stand back over here and I'll show you what we've done. So I've got the outfeed assembly table over there with the table saw, the drill press in the corner, the bandsaw. That was one thing that we changed. That originally was going to go here, and I was going to move that cabinet. But it made more sense here. I've got more room there. Plywood storage moved here. And then, of course, you know about the joiner and the planer. But I have got room here for the lathe. This was not in the plan right here. So I might end up leaving this here and just wheeling it out if I need to. So I've got plenty of room to walk in here. So I've got, I don't know, more than a shoulder's width through here, twice as much shoulder width to walk through here. There's the leg vise, the drill press, and then the dust collector is going to run the table saw and the rest of this stuff. And I've got access over here. I can access the drawers, and I've got plenty of room there. So I've got to get all of this mess off of the workbench or the table. But here's something cool. So this is where the workbench is going to sit. I've got a slab sitting up here right now, so you can kind of see how much room I've got here. I've got plenty of room here. I'm standing, my back is at the door, and I've got plenty enough room here. And then I've got room all in here and up to the bathroom door. And so if I needed to, I could move the workbench over to here, and I've got a ton of space here to build something big if I wanted to, like a big farmhouse dining room table. I've got a lot of room right there. So that's going to work out really good. Now, on this other side, I've got the miter saw in the position where it's going to be, and this is going to be that bank of drawers that I was telling you guys about. So, like I said, I was going to move this over here. And the clamp rack, I said I was going to move there, but I might end up moving it here. All that'll be coming out. So I may end up putting the clamp rack there. So I'm not real sure how that's going to play out, but yeah, that's it. And then my little desk area is going to be right here. I'm going to take all this out. This will be gone, and my desk area will be there. And so that will be my little work area, and then all I've got left to do is just put everything in its place, which I just got to figure that out. Don't really know where I'm going to put everything. The shop's still a wreck, but the tools are in their place. So that's a big plus for this week. I'm going to try to refine all of this week and hopefully have a video out next week. Today I released the video on taking out this workbench. If you have not checked that out, check it out on my main channel, and also check out the website article. I appreciate it if you guys would just check it out. Let me know what you think. That style of video, kind of narration, you know, talking about workflow and convenience and all that stuff. So yeah, really excited about the change. I love the change in here and the possibilities. So anyway, I'll check back in tomorrow. Talk to you then. Later.